UK's elite special forces will be stealthier and deadlier on the battlefield thanks to a new, advanced, modern, high-precision rifle. To make British troops harder to track and more formidable on the battlefield, at least thousands of new rifles have been purchased and equipped with advanced optical and thermal sights and silencer systems. The Alternative Individual Weapon, or AIW, known as the L403A1, is a highly cutting-edge rifle produced by utilizing the most recent design technologies and manufacturing processes, resulting in an incredibly dependable and accurate rifle. Because of the enlarged optic, the user is able to confront dangers that are further away, and the Alternative Individual Weapon's signature reduction system is working to conceal it so that the enemy's sight or hearing cannot detect it. Macclesfield-based company Edgar Brothers was awarded a contract worth £90 million to supply their AIW system, which will operate as a supplement to the L85A3 that is now in operation. The Army Special Operations Brigade, or ASOB, which conducts operations in complex and high-risk environments, will be prioritized for the AIW allocation later this year. The L403A1 is a contemporary advancement of the Armite rifle, or AR, characterized by its exceptional performance that surpasses conventional standards.